W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hi friends, today we are going to learn to draw. It's springtime here, so I thought it might be kind of fun to draw a bee because bees start showing up in spring. And we only need a circle, an arc, and a line. Well, let's see how it all fits together. So I'm going to start off with a circle, and I'm going to plan my drawing to be right about here. So I want my circle to be about this big over here. Okay, so it's important to plan where you're going to put your drawing, so you don't put it over here or over here, or make sure you have enough space to create the whole drawing. So let's add in a circle right about here. Now I'm going to add in an arc that goes this way around the back. So this is the back of the bee and this is the front of the bee. Okay, if at any point during this video you need to pause to catch up, just pause the video, catch up at your own speed, and then join back in with us. All right, next I'm going to add in another arc, and it's going to start down here and it's going to go right to here. And then I'm going to close this shape with, yes, another arc. Just like that. Next, I'm going to add in another arc. Now we're creating the stripes of the bee. Then we'll add another arc here. And then let's just add one more arc here. Okay? Now, you notice in my example drawing that I colored these shapes in with marker, but I'm not going to color them in now with marker. I just want to show you what this is going to look like, but I'm going to use crayons to color this in later. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the eyes and the shape for the mouth, but when you get to the coloring portion, you just can leave those open or make them a different color, okay? Let's continue. So I'm going to make two circles, one here, and then one here, and those are the eyes. And then I'm going to make two arcs for the mouth, an arc, and I'm going to make another arc right below it, and I'm just going to close those off with arcs as well. Okay? Just like that. And remember, in this area, this is the spot we're going to color in, this is the spot you're going to color in, and this is the spot you're going to color in. And you'll be able to see that at the end of the video. I'll show you all the color choices that I made, and you'll be able to see what I did. Okay, so now we're going to add in another arc. We're going to draw the wings. So let's start right about here. We're going to add in an arc and have that come around like that. And then we'll continue the arc and have it go down to the body. And then over on this side, we're going to make another arc like this. And then we'll continue that arc around and then have it come and meet to the body right there. So now we have the wings. And you don't see the bottom of this wing because it's behind the bee on the other side. So the body is blocking that wing. Next, let's add in some antenna. Right there. And you just draw two lines, and that's all you need for the antenna. All right, and then let's add in a little stinger tail. So we're going to add in a little stinger right here, a line and another line that goes to a point, and that I'm actually going to color in with the marker, just like that. Then we're going to make 6 lines for the legs, okay? And those lines are just going to hang down. So we're just going to have them come down like this. They're going to be like 6 lines, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 6, because bees have 6 legs. And then we're going to have a dotted line that shows the path that the bee was flying. Okay? So we're going to make short lines, but they're going to curve around in whatever path that you want your bee to have flown. So I'm going to turn my paper to make this easier for me. And I'm going to just draw some short lines now. See how they're just short lines, but I'm starting to turn them. And I'll show you a trick. Actually, let's stop. And I'm going to show you a trick with a pencil. I have to find a pencil. So I have my pencil. I just want to show you this trick. So say you have a pencil and a marker, and you want to draw like we were doing with the dotted path, but you don't want to just do it without a guide. If you draw a very light pencil line, like this, okay, then you take your marker and you can draw over top of it. And you can barely even see that pencil, but you can use it as a guide to know where to put your marker lines. How about that? You can't even see that pencil line, or just barely. So now you can use that to draw your path if you want. I'm going to continue drawing my short lines, and I'm having them curve all the way around like this. And I'm going to have them get further apart and smaller to a little tiny dot. Like that. Great job following along, everybody. Now, what color choices are you going to make to color your bee? Like I said, if you follow along to the end of the video, you can see what color choices I made and how I colored in these different shapes to create the stripes for the bee. But you can choose your own colors because this is your drawing. You can color this in however you want. Color the sky, color the stripes. You can have your bee wear a hat. It's up to you. It's your drawing. Use your imagination. Now, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button, because every like and every subscriber helps me to create more videos so I can create more drawing lessons for you. And if you have an idea of a drawing lesson that you'd like to see, then let's hear about it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.